Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about geometry-error code 11. The error reads, sync failed. This error comes when users try to load their account data or sync progress between versions like GD Lite and GD World, but the process fails and stops them from continuing. According to our research, this error is likely caused by login issues, outdated game versions, or a corrupted installation. The first thing we suggest is to refresh your login. To do this, go to Settings, then select Account, then tap on More and choose Refresh Login. Once done, check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, try resetting your account password. After resetting, log in again and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if your game is updated to the latest version. If not, update it and check if this resolves the error. If the error still continues, try deleting and reinstalling GD World. After reinstalling, open the game and check for the error. At last, if the error still persists, it may be a temporary sync issue, so wait for a while and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.